And 9:29. And today is the 18th. Okay.
Is that camera not charged?
That battery needs to be on this little thing.
Oh, I got you. That makes sense. Okay. Well, you set up, so don't move it.
Okay.
Just record everything.
All right. How much milk?
6 cups.
6 cups.
Now don't put it in that skillet though.
I'm not putting it in the skillet.
Okay, put it in there.
You want to put it in this pan?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So first we have done 1 cup of sugar in the black skillet. All right.
You said 6?
6 cups is what she said. 6 cups. So I went over. Those are ounces.
Yeah, that's ounces, Joe.
So this got cups on here too. This whole 2 cups.
Okay.
So you want 6 cups of milk.
Yeah.
Okay. And this carton did 2 cups right there. Kendra, will you please throw this in the trash for me? Thank you. So do a total of 6 cups. So there's 2 more pours. Okay.
How'd you get so patient? How'd you get your patience?
Probably gonna beat that with
How did you get or learn patience?
Learn patience.
Yeah, a little bit more patience.
You should make candy?
Bags over here. Go.
Okay, so this is 4 cups.
Yeah.
that 4 cups.
Yes, ma'am. So 1 more pour, right?
I said 2. I said 6 cups.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, he got patience. Lord bless him. I don't know how you do it. The Lord knows. I don't know. And what you say? How many years now? 79. So that makes 6. Oh Lord, 60.
Yeah.
Bless it.
Right around the corner.
Around the corner. All right. All right. 6 cups of milk. 1 cup of sugar, and where else?
Okay. We put 5 cups of sugar in that. With the milk.
5 cups of sugar with the milk.
5 cups of 5. What?
5 cups of sugar.
Like that big cup she just, like, yeah.
That's 2 cups and a half.
Whatever that is.
5 cups of sugar.
I said 5.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, I had to look at it. That's a big cup of sugar, man.
Diabetes.
I
I don't know either. What you say? You just know how to eat it.
That's right.
But it's supposed to be kind of thick.
I'm putting it in the cup before I put it in the milk.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's get this clear. Do you want me to scoop this 5 times in there? Or you said exactly 5 cups?
5 cups of that sugar.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Just won't get it clear.
Yeah.
I'm scooping.
What you do, just turn it up and pour it in there.
You know what? You're right. I could. Maybe that's why.
There you go.
I was trying to do that earlier and she fussed at me. So I was like,
Oh, well, you better
you was fussing.
See how much quicker that is?
Yeah, but you gotta do that first. You know.
Do all that.
Y'all make me nervous when you be fussing.
They ain't supposed to just trying to tell you how to do it.
I don't know. What you saying it rather angrily. Like.
I don't even know if I'm gonna get this recipe. I was watching the video. I can't see W do it right now. You do a lot of shaking over there, like you making something crazy.
Yeah.
I'm not making nothing crazy.
You'll have to watch the video.
Look, I made like a
Well, I think they reach up over your head down with a sack.
Oh, is that all?
No, it's
I can fill it up.
No, yeah.
and
I showed, but I can tiptoe a little bit.
tiptoe.
And tiptoeing is a big deal for me, so.
Yeah.
You want the water? You need a little sweaty over there.
No, can you just,
Oh, you're cooking?
can you just, it's a lot of lights over here.
Well, yeah, we cook it. I already know. I live with Nigerians. They cook a lot. They get hot in the kitchen. It's so hot. They food be spicy. I don't know if you ever had Nigerian food.
I have not.
It's pretty hot. It's like a lot of vegetables. It ain't no different. Like, they make collard greens and stuff like that. They just.
My neighbors are Nigerian, I think. I bet you they are, but I'm not for sure. I haven't asked them.
Well, I dated a girl from Africa. They call it sambe, where they're from, but it's just collard greens. They chop it up and they boil it and they just put it all over their rice and stuff.
Put it on your rice.
Yeah, they put it all over their rice. It's kind of interesting. That makes the rice taste better because it's just white rice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're not getting
I feel like yes, sir. I'm fat. I am. I ain't
cooking.
shame. Yeah. Okay, thank you. You ain't patting hard enough, but it's all right. We'll work it out. That's all
rub
right.
your skin off.
Right. I appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Your mama need a little love right now. I feel like I'm finna get a whooping.
That's why you said you nervous. You play for the Spanish.
Right.
Not even hot.
You can get a little shoulder shake here to that side. Follows the pulling guard.
I think you might better push that cabinet door up. You beat up bump your head on it.
Oh, I ain't that
Yeah,
tall.
no, that happens to me a lot. Actually, yeah, you should close that right now.
I'm not that tall.
I don't know. It's pretty
Yeah,
cold.
it's pretty close. Trust me. Yeah.
All right. Y'all want me to pour the rest of this in here, right?
Yeah.
All right. I did good. Pour the sugar in the bowl.
I did good. I poured sugar in the bowl. Never heard that before.
Hey, I got to take my wins where I find them, buddy.
That's the warm up.
Right. Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, don't move it too much, cause.
All right.
You literally can only see about the counter, you, and that's it. Just the
That's
food.
enough.
Yeah. So I won't move it.
BMC Metalworks continues its legacy of 45 years of excellence in machine.
Now what you want me to do? Behind the wood cup.
What you want me to turn it on? Which one you want me to turn on? The skinny or the...
Turn the first eye on.
Which is where the black...
Wait,
Okay. First eye on. To what? Okay. Turn it on to what?
that first eye was right in front of you.
Yes, it's on.
She said, what temp?
What temp?
Like 1 or 2 or whatever your thing is.
How high you want me to turn it?
High.
High?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just get it over there.
It's on it.
No, it's not.
It is on it. It's been on
You
it.
know, this one.
She said on the left hand side for the...
Red enough, it ought to be red.
Yeah, that one is red. And then
Okay, do you want me to turn the pot, the milk on with the sugar or the skinny?
No, let's put the skin on right now.
Okay, that's what I had.
That's what you had.
And you want me to put it on high? Okay. Okay, so what I just stir?
No, on the right hand side, the where you got that
oh, she wants you to switch them.
paint.
Yeah, switch. You need to put the skill over there. Turn it on. Then turn that eye off. Turn the skillet eye on.
Yeah. Turn that first eye on.
Yeah, there you
Okay, just what now? What? Just stir when it get
That
hot?
hot, yeah.
I know.
But yeah, just when you get good, you go get stirred. When you warm, you start getting hot.
Okay.
Got the milk turn on, the second eye. Big eye.
How high you want me to turn it on?
Then put it on 4 or 5. On 5.
It's on 5. I got it on 5, bruh. I'm trying to get no trouble.
When you ready to skid up, ready to paint up, see it on.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's red.
Okay.
It's just sugar in the pan on fire. That's it. It's sugar in the pan.
The sugar already in there.
Yes, ma'am. The sugar in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It caramelizes and browns.
Oh. I'm like, why are you over here cooking sugar, dude?
Right.
You don't think you're doing
This
her
is the
You
caramel.
gotta keep stirring and grinding.
Okay. I was like, Mom, I think you might be doing it wrong, but I don't know, because I never made the cake, so.
I ain't never made it either, so that's why I want to get it. Thank you, sir. This is my armor bearer.
Yeah, it's starting
Thank
to
you.
get hot over here too. 'Cause I
Man,
feel the
hey,
heat.
I'm trying to tell you. And then you got folks, you got them micromanagers on you.
That's what it feels like. Actually,
Micromanagers over there on the couch, and you way over here in the kitchen.
she just struck me. You don't know what
Man,
you're doing.
I'm just saying.
Micromanage you when you know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing.
I know,
You
but I'm
good.
just like, don't holler.
No. My teachers.
You know what, Keandre, I don't like
They
you.
taught me hardcore. They said if you don't do this right, you get fired. And I took that lesson.
You make sure you try to get it
Right,
right.
get it right. 'Cause I want a job after school.
And they let that mail, you can drive, it would make you jump the camera. They should have brown.
What school was this is for y'all? What school are y'all?
Our job kind of high. But now they playing at good school. About 30 miles east of here. They might show get like that. A little later. And it might be done already strong.
What's y'all team called? What's y'all team called?
What the dog?
Yeah, what is that?
Josh got
It's called Josh County High?
Ma'am?
it.
Yes, ma'am. It's on 5.
Oh, no, like, what's the football team for that or for the high school league?
What's the mascot?
No.
I forgot.
Right off. Like,
Look it up, Keandre.
Blue Devils were really good too. Bob, was it Bobcats? I guess Bobcats.
It is. We've seen it all.
Please note that the sugar is starting to brown slowly. It is caramelizing.
He has 120 yards rushing prior to that carry.
You said cut it on high.
21 for 122 times. Well, you can see why he is the leading rusher on this football team.
I'm trying to put the vent on way to smoke.
Push hard enough.
Legend is in the kitchen. I got her off the couch in the kitchen. I got her. I done fussed enough. She done got fussed enough at me. She done got off the couch. It's in motion, people. And then this will thicken up too, won't it?
Yeah, but yet.
Ooh. I ain't stirred fast enough for not to clump.
No, you don't have to what's called. You won't stand. It ain't boiling yet. You
I'm talking about
keep
the
on
sugar.
stirring. I'm just, but you don't stir it enough.
Okay. Wow.
You stir some more.
And you make the same recipe with every cake you make too?
What?
I mean, you do the same measurement for every cake that you made?
Yeah, but
Oh,
all the
okay.
time.
And you thicken it up depending on how big your cake is, or thin it out a little bit by adding a little milk or something in there? Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just trying to make sure ain't no clumps or nothing in here.
Hope you no bumps in there.
Well, I did a little bit at the beginning. So.
Yeah.
Woo! Stir?
Yeah, keep stirring.
Okay.
That you know you gotta stir.
Uh-oh.
Keep stirring.
I might need that big one that you using. I'm stirring. So Keandre, for Christmas, I need a black iron skillet, maybe 2. Tell him to give me a couple. I got a skillet, but I don't never really. I said I might need another skillet at home. No, it ain't burnt up, but just to have a spare. You know what? I actually do not have one anymore. I need to get me one though. Or a couple. Alright, I feel like the sugar that was caramelized is starting to kind of melt in here. Still feel a couple of clumps in here. I got to stir. I'm stirring, but I'm just saying the clump that I had left was, it's gone. I'm making it. Keandre called this hot dog water, which is false.